chest breathing and abdominal breathing seated. So if you've watched the previous video on abdominal and chest breathing, you'll see that we were lying down. But now we want to do it sitting. So the easiest way to do it for students is lying down, but we need to teach them how to do it seated with a straight back. But essentially it's the same process. So your students can be sitting with their legs crossed, they can use a cushion. I'm sitting on a blanket right now because I find it comfortable. If they're very uncomfortable, they could use a meditation bench, they could sit against the wall. Or sometimes they can sit on a block. It keeps their back straight and makes them more comfortable, especially if their knees are very high. So now, first, we invite them to breathe with their chest. So inhale, exhale through the nose, and the focus is on the chest. So we're going to open the chest and close the chest, like this. Normally people can feel this quite easily, but if they find it difficult, again, they can keep their hands on their side ribs. And you can start to instruct them then that they feel the chest go out forward, go out to the side, and even the ribs at the back can expand out the back. So we're trying to open up the whole thoracic cavity, front, back, and sides. Okay, so inhale. Exhale. Again, inhaling. And exhaling. So again, you can continue like that for maybe 3-4 minutes, where they just enjoy the feeling of using the thoracic cavity to breathe. And then we importantly move to the abdomen. This is where you'll find your students usually have more difficulty. So it's a good idea, especially for beginner students, to put one hand, I usually ask them to put the right hand on the lower abdomen, here like this. And as they inhale, they want to feel the abdomen press the hand out and forward. And as they exhale, the hand should be moving in with the abdomen going towards the spine. So let's try. Inhale. And exhale. Again, inhaling. And exhaling. So now I'll do one more with my hands away. Inhale. So we want to try to invite them to inhale as slowly as possible and to exhale as slowly as possible. because it's very important that students become aware of using the abdomen to breathe. Because remember that when the abdomen goes out, that means that the diaphragm is going down, and it gives more space to the lungs to take in more oxygen. So they really have to get more and more awareness of using the abdomen. It's the key. Okay? So on the other sequence in the previous video, we did it lying down, and now we ask them to do it sitting up. And you can go around, watch your students, and especially watch their abdomen, and try to encourage them to use their abdomen as they breathe. Because you'll find a lot of your students are breathing high in the chest, which is maybe leading to stress and anxiety. It means they can't breathe as deeply. So we want to get them to make the breath more deep and more low. Okay?